In front of me is a Redmi Note 8 from 2021, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So at first, let's open the browser that you are using, then tap on More icon and select History. Click on Clear Browsing Data then, and you will find basic and advanced options here. Under basic, you've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and card images and files. And then under advanced, you've got a few more, which are saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. To remove it all, just mark the time range here and select clear data. And that's it. As you can see, it has been removed, so that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.